Hi guys, today I'm coming to you from Magic Kingdom and I'm going to check out the Christmas decorations, and I thought I'd bring you guys along to check it out. Let's go check it. Did I say that too many times? Let's go see. So here we are on Main Street, USA at the Magic Kingdom. The train stations all decorated in poinsettias and bows, and I hope they know that Goofy and Pluto shouldn't be around those poinsettias because they're bad for dogs. I know, I tell you guys that every year at Christmas time. Poinsettias are bad for dogs, so get rid of them. Use fake ones if you have animals. And in the center by the Christmas tree, you see some soldiers. They don't have hands, so they're not doing anything. There's no hands. I just noticed they don't have hands. So that's all decorated. You've got the garland with the poinsettias again at City Hall, at the fire department, and then on top of the Emporium is all decorated with some garland at the very top. Alright, we got a little bit better of a view. Alright, here we have a little bit better view of the Christmas tree with the ginger men. There's some bulbs, there's some candles, some bells, and I see snowflakes. Oh, and there's a stocking up there. So they got sugar cookies and popcorn garland. How about that? Standing outside the confectionery, you can smell the sugar, the chocolate, the candy. Oh my goodness. And they have the garland that has a lot of different elements in there. And then of course they do have some up at the top too. Oh, look at the bell at the Emporium. Looking down Main Street, you have the decorations on both sides of the street. And they've got the little wreaths hanging down with the candles. The light poles are all decorated. I think at night the trees are lit up, but I'm not 100% sure on that. I will be finding out tonight because I'm going to stay till it gets dark. Or until after it gets dark, I should say. I'm going to make this a late night. I'm going to try anyways. They got the Christmas music blaring, so hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. One horse sleigh, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh, sorry. You get here, you listen to the Christmas music and you just get into it and you just start singing right along with it. The balloons. I don't see Christmas ones on there. Look at right here. So as you come in, as you're going towards the castle, just to the right, on the other side of Plaza Restaurant, the ice cream is a nice cool little photo op, and look at how cute this is. Now we're going to head over towards Tomorrowland and let's see what we can find there. But it's starting to look a lot like Christmas. Well, sound like a lot like Christmas. Here's an apron. We did not see this apron when we were at Hollywood the other day, so this is new. And then this one looks like it might be the kid size one, so you got the adult and the kids. That's cute. So honestly, it looks like Disney's gone to the plaid this year. Everything's plaid. A tree topper in gold. The tree topper is $50. This whole wall's new and everything is plaid and white and fluffy. New Spirit jerseys. Mickey, Walt Disney World on the back. But it's got sparkles in it too. You can dress plaid Mickey for the Christmas time. Got some green ears, white polka dots. I guess if you don't like the plaid, you got trees. And they've got silky pants and they got sweatpants. They've got t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, turtlenecks, and sweatshirts. Oh, this is for a little girl, but oh wait a minute, there's a two-piece.
go out and we'll come back in here. Okay, we'll go find
And it's got a skirt and a top for little girls. And $50. This one looks like a spirit jersey, but it's actually a sweater print, but you got shoes to match it. It's a sweater. Oh, it's got Mickey on the front. So this is what it looks like on the front, and that's the back side. Well, I made it to the nighttime, and now I get to see all the Christmas lights all lit up. Disney's always lit up, but Christmas time you get even more stuff lit up. All right, we got a little girl throwing a fit over here. Oh, I'm waiting for the castle to light up. Lights on up there. I wonder if anybody's
made more brilliant by the light that lives within you. It inspires us to wish upon stars, follow our hearts, and find our happily ever afters. Tonight, as we gather together under the spires of this majestic castle, our dreams ignite the magic to create a beacon shining out and celebrating 50 years of the most magical place on earth.
Thank you. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed Christmas at Magic Kingdom and the fun we had. If you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to do that. Ring that bell. You'll be notified when I put out my new videos. And as always, I love it when you comment. So comment down below. Comment what you want to see next, what you're interested in, anything. Just comment. Say hi. I'll say hi back. Alright guys, if I haven't told you this lately, thank you for being here and I love you all. Bye.